When I'm training operator safety on any machine, I talk about the silent killers. They are fatigue, rushing, and complacency. These three factors are not responsible for the actual injury, but they increase your mistake rate, and it's the mistake that leads to the injury. Of these three, complacency is the most likely to catch experienced operators. We might think it's only new operators that are at risk of injury or death, but as we get more experienced, complacency can creep in. We get used to cutting corners and we might get away with it for multiple times, but eventually it can catch us out. When we talk about safety with these massive machines, it's quite easy to picture how dangerous it is to fall off that roof or striking a power line when you're ejecting a module. The spindles in the front are so obviously sharp and dangerous that it's easy to see that as a risk. But one of the surprises a lot of people get when I talk about safety with these machines is most of the injuries I see and hear of on cotton pickers are actually from the ladder to the cab. We find if you're not keeping 3 points of contact and facing the machine, you're taking an unnecessary safety risk. And that'll include if you're to carry something up the ladder like your water bottle or a clipboard, you're better to place it here and then climb up. So to climb a ladder properly with the 3 points of contact, it means both hands are holding on when you move a foot and both feet are touching when you move a hand like this. Then when we come back down, we face the machine and come down like that. You should never have an accident off any machine if you're using that technique on the ladder. One of the common perceptions that I come across is that safety comes at the cost of productivity. We've found productivity is an important part of safety. When you are getting plenty done, things are working well, it's actually safer. There's less conflict around errors, you're less likely to rush. Doing a job safely is doing a job right, and that you get more done at the end of the day doing a job safely. A common example of this is not taking a couple of minutes to clean your windows, mirrors and cameras and then missing something when it's small that becomes a big issue later. The reward for a greater focus on safety with the operation of all machinery is that at the end of the day, you and your team come home to your family. We're extracting maximum value from these expensive and complicated machines, and the daily operation of your farm will just all run smoother.